share my video. I'm gonna say it again, what I usually say at the end of my video. Share, 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 share. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Onikosola. Now I go by my name, Atarodo. Yes, Atarodo. Today I am going to be shaving my face. I was about to up into the shower to I'm like, why don't I just show how I do it? Because baby girl be like woven. Like, can you see it? I have some even to my neck, they are connecting. And I've just been in a phase where I don't want to do anything to my face, and I wanted to show you guys how I shave my peach balls and a Dermaplaning. And without further ado, we're gonna go into the video. I'm going to be showing you some of the products that I'm going to be using. We already have it at home. There are things that you can get your hands on at home. So, basic day things. First, I have this stick. I got it from Amazon. And cotton pad. We all use it to clean our face. Then coconut oil. I know I have this big jar of coconut oil. I've had it for so long and I don't know when it's going to finish, as this is where it is. Then when you're done, a body, why is it called a body wash? A facial wash for your face. But the reason why I'm doing this before I shower is because I don't want my face to be oily throughout the day, because I'm going to be using coconut oil, so I can actually up into the shower and actually wash my face and come out clean. Also, have this in mind so you can wipe your blade or put your the fuzzes there. And I also have a mirror in front of me. You gotta have a mirror. It's important so that we can see, so I can see what I'm doing and I don't have to cut myself. But because I am clumsy and anything can happen, I can go and cut myself, so I have to have a mirror. In fact, I have 2 mirrors, so I don't have to cut myself. The first thing I'll be doing is I would be applying what is it called? I'll be applying the coconut oil. Let me show you something. Let me put you guys to something. This is the packet, right? It has this in one packet. Yes, I've used this too. I used 2 from here and I still have 2 from here. And it all comes from here. And I think it's very affordable. It was like $6. And this is the one I'll be using today. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my coconut oil. I know it's kind of cold because it's cold already. What I'll be doing is I will just dip my hand inside. I don't use it to cook. I will use it for beauty, body, and hair. That's the only thing I use it for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply this graciously on my face so that it glides off easily and doesn't come off on my skin. And one thing I just want to point out is that you don't have to use coconut oil if you don't want to use coconut oil. You can use what is it called? Olive oil. Any oil you use on your face, you can use that. And if you have aloe vera gel, you can. But I'm not about to order aloe vera gel because I keep postponing it, and I'll say, oh, I want to get aloe vera gel, and I keep forgetting. I come up with something else and I don't do it. And I still have coconut oil, so I don't need aloe vera gel. I don't think I need it. That's why I'm not using aloe vera gel. Some people prefer to use aloe vera gel, but I can use coconut oil because that's what I have available to me. See, my teddy is not just smoothing. I can literally make the hair. That's why I want to cut it off, because I'm tired. I can't make it. One thing I don't want to do is keep going like this because it's bad. So I just keep shaving. If I'm shaving towards this direction, I shave towards this direction. I won't really have anything here because I kind of waxed it 2 weeks ago. So there's literally gonna be not a lot there. So this is When I see my face be like that of Wolverine, I mean it. I'm not gonna be doing my brows today because my brows are the way I like it to be. I like to let my brows really grow out before I twist it myself. I usually twist my brows myself, so I'm not gonna be going close to my brows. I'm just gonna be shaving them, taking off around it. So this is what my face looks like. I'm done. This is what my face looked like, and this is what came out. Yep, that's my face. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe this down, the coconut oil that I put on my face. I'm just gonna wipe it down, and I'm gonna go shower and show you guys what my face looks like. So yeah, this is what my face looks like after I'm done. I've showered, I moisturized, no, I cleanse my face, I use the toner, and I use every other thing that I always use, and this is my face after the shaving slash dempule. So ta-da! Before we go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribes. I know I have been away for more than 8 months, about 8 months, yeah. So, and I haven't posted anything. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please click the subscribe button below. Share my video. I'm gonna say it again, what I usually say at the end of my video. Share. Yes, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can drop anything in the comment section. If any suggestion, if you want me to do it, you can drop it in the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to do it. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Your views, likes, likes, and subscription. Yes, subscription, that's the word. Keeps me motivated. So please, I have a goal that I set for myself that I did not reach, so I'm gonna try to upload more. So please, I'm gonna say it again, don't forget to click that subscribe button and thumbs up. Thank you, and bye bye.